Alright, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. It is my rest day. Rest day for me is just a shoulder maintenance day. Nothing crazy, just some band work, some stretching, some cable work, working the internal, external rotators, a little bit of upper back, and then finishing off with my 100 banded tricep extensions and adding in 100 banded bicep curls as well. Just trying to get some blood into my elbows, so it's shoulder and elbow maintenance day. It'll be a quick video tonight. Just want to show you guys the process. Closing in on 46, and I'm pushing hard to get my bench press up over 300 pounds. So I got to take care of the shoulders and the elbows. Sometimes the joints get a little sore, so we got to take care of them. We got to get blood pumping in them. We got to strengthen all the little stabilizer muscles. So that's what this workout's all about. Here we're hitting a little bit of upper back with bands. All the muscles around your scaps, they're really important for keeping your shoulders healthy. So we're hitting that, doing a little bit of stretching, then right away we're activating those muscles again to make that mobility stick. And then again, like I said, finishing with the 100 tricep extensions, 100 bicep curls, getting some blood in the forearms and the elbows. That's it for the video. Have a great night.